Hi, my name is Alvaro. Welcome to ABC Guitar Workshop. This is my first video of 2021, so first of all, I want to wish you a successful and healthy new year. On this video, I want to talk about the current situation of the workshop. I will give you an update on that and also on the projects that I will be working on, including the Great Guitar Build of 2021. At the end of the video, I will be showing you some guitars, so make sure to watch the whole video. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can also follow the progress of my projects on Instagram at ABC Guitar Workshop. The Great Guitar Build of 2020 was a big surprise and a great opportunity for people that build musical instruments like me and many others to share our work and connect with the community. So by the time that it was announced, I realized that I had to make a YouTube channel and Instagram account about my guitars, but I also had to find a place to work. I didn't have a workshop at the time. That's when I contacted the group Vintage Freunde, and they were kind enough to let me work in their warehouse. By the end of the year, and after finishing my project, I took all my materials and tools back home, but what I couldn't take with me was this beautiful carpenter's bench, so now I don't have a workbench. The registration for the Great Guitar Build of 2021 opened on February 1st, and many people, including me, joined in the first day. I am already planning my project, but I won't begin until late March probably. In the meantime, I'm gonna be working on other guitars, exploring on different techniques for the construction, the electronics, and the finishing. So what I need is to find a place to work and set up a new workshop. I currently have the opportunity to use this basement, so I'm gonna do it. It's only about 6.3 square meters, so I really have to optimize the space. The room is not acoustically isolated and it's not airtight, so I have to be very careful with the noise and the dust that I produce. The first thing that I want to do is to clean the room properly so I can set up the new workspace. I have this countertop and it's not the best surface for doing carpentry, but it's what I got now. So I will fix some legs on this thing and I will start working. Like I said, I won't start working on the Great Guitar Build of until next month, and now I have some other guitars to take care of. Here I have some guitar bodies. They belong to different Strats, were built by different factories and were owned by different people. I am going to work on 3 guitars at the same time, so I'm gonna choose 3 of these guitar bodies and then find them a suitable neck. They are not only different in their color and finishing, but in many other aspects, such as their pickup cavities, the neck pockets, the thickness of the body, their weight, among other things. By doing this, I will gather more experience and ideas as well as to have fun, but I will also have the chance to upgrade these guitars that when I got them they were not in great shape, but with the proper effort they have the potential of becoming great guitars, making someone happy and creating great music. Now beyond the body, the neck and the scratch plate, there are many options regarding the hardware that we can use, starting with the pickups. Conventional Strats will typically come with single coil pickups, but it's also possible to incorporate humbuckers. It's a matter of designing the instrument in terms of sounds, versatility, and aesthetics. P90 pickups are also a possibility, but for that I would probably have to modify the body's pickup cavities or the scratch plate. How about trying a telebridge pickup or one of these Jackson humbuckers that I like so much? When it comes to the bridge, we would obviously think of a synchronized tremolo system, and I want to say that this is my favorite kind of bridge for an electric guitar. But there are other options, like these Floyd Rose. I haven't installed one of these yet. And how about less conventional approaches, like a telebridge? I've seen that. Oh yes, lipstick tube pickups. I really want to try this out, but for this I have to route the scratch plate, and for that I would need to make a template. I'm gonna make it in a future video. And going back to the bridge, well, there's people who install these vibrato systems on Strats. I've seen it on the internet. When it comes to the electronics, most Strats work with 250K pots for the single coils, but if you want to work with humbuckers, you should use 500K pots. If you have been following my channel, you already know that because we already talked about that. I also have some push-pull pots for coil split humbuckers. You will also remember that in order to combine single coils and humbuckers, you need resistors. When it comes to switches and buttons, there are different options, such as different sizes for the kill switch buttons, 3-way or 5-way selector switches, or on and off switches like a Mustang. So these are some of the options of hardware that I have, and you have also seen the different guitar bodies and necks that I have. Like I mentioned before, I'm gonna be working on 3 guitars at the time, so I would be really thankful if you could give me your advice and write your suggestions in the comments down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. Let me know what combinations would you like, and I'm gonna be doing that in my future videos. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned and take care.